Good afternoon, guys. What we are looking at right now is a 4-in-1 apple tree I planted a couple of weeks ago, and I've been waiting for it to get a couple of blooms, so it looked a little bit nicer in the picture here. And like I said, I picked this up at Home Depot. It was, to me, it's a good deal. I don't know whether it is or not, but I grabbed this for about $60 or so. Maybe it was 70, somewhere around that neighborhood. And it's got a nice thick trunk here, and it splits off into 4 different grafts. And I took a little video when I planted it so I could keep track of which one was which. And this is a Fuji in the background. I believe this is a Mutsu. This is a JonaGold, I believe, facing southwest, and western facing is, oh, how good is my memory? I believe it's a Gala. I'll go back and I'll check the video and I'll play that maybe right about now, just so I can give myself a little reference in the future. My Fuerte's over there, Mexicola's back there somewhere, and my little walkway hits it like this because I want to kind of identify what strains are in the trunk. So if I walk straight on it, in the southwest corner here is going to be my JonaGold. The eastward limb is going to be Mutsu. Never had one of those. And westward facing is the Gala apple. And because it was the strongest and I had to cut like a 1.5 feet off the top of this thing, is my Fuji apple. So that is northeastern. Basically, this one is going to line up aiming for the stop sign I have over there. Because I always take the tags off of these guys so somebody doesn't come along and decide to say, ooh, I could use an apple tree, and steal it. And since I'm noting this, I should probably say this is an M111 rootstock, whatever that is. I guess it's an all-arounder. Okay, but apple trees take very well to being cut, opposite of peach. So this should basically take over the foot is the plan. Let me back up a little bit here. The apple tree is going to become the center point, and I didn't have enough room with all my other projects of the 5 or 6 cherry trees, the dozen pluots going here, the 8 different avocado trees. I'm kind of running out of space. So a 4-in-1 apple tree sounded like a really good option. That is going to eventually, once it takes hold, going to be the center of the yard. The other tree, the main tree in the center here, is a cottonwood, which I'm dying to cut down, but it's a pretty decent shade tree, and it's giving these avocados a chance to kind of get their grow together here. And the alfalfa is basically just kind of holds in the moisture. I've got some beneficial fertilizer organisms, bacteria kind of stuff going on under there, and it just kind of helps with the transplant phase, the first year in, I guess. And over here, we used to have a lot of grass, and I'm trying to get rid of some mowing is the reason. But basically, that is the plan for the apple tree, is it's going to wind up being the center. So I'll do a little update on this every, I don't know, maybe every 3-4 months, maybe twice a year, something along those lines, just to kind of keep track of how it's doing. And if you want to see any of that, or you're thinking about getting any of these varieties, tune in and we'll do some little taste tests and stuff later on. So hit the subscribe button and just keep track of the channel. Bye.